This whole etude is in first position, but it's far from easy, well, tricky. So if you actually need any help with this etude or any other etudes, please give me a shout. You can visit my website, there's a link right here below, and fill out the contact me form, and I'll be more than happy to write you back and let you know my availability, and we can arrange some online lessons. If you think online format is actually acceptable and good for you, I think I can help you. Let's get connected. Thank you so much for watching.